उदकाची जावपी लिकेज थांबोवपाक डिजिटल मीटर हाडटा म्हणून PWD मिनिस्टर निलेश काब्रालान फाटल्या असेंब्लीन सांगलेले. PPP मॉडेल मीन्स पब्लिक प्रायव्हेट पार्टनरशिप ह्या तत्वाचेर हे डिजिटल मीटर हाडटा म्हणून निलेश काब्रालान सांगलेले. डिजिटल मीटर जर लिकेज आहा तर ती सरकाराच्या नजरेन हाडून दिवपाचे तेन्ना मंत्र्यान सांगलेले.
Henceforth, we'll also, in the next 2-3 months, we'll also have water leakages inside it, where as MLAs, because see, it's not that we are not doing work, or my department is not doing work. Leakages of water supply, wherever the leakage is to be posted on that. We are going to have a mechanism where control, we are going to change meters on a PPP mode, where there will be no problem to our consumers. But with that system, we'll be able to monitor our leakages. We today, as of today, Speaker Sir, we have 39% NRW water, non-revenue water, and I intend to do on a PPP mode where the tender will be floated in such a way that the person will have to put meters all properly again at his cost, maintain them at his cost. Any new connection also the meters will be provided by him. We produce around 600 MLD water, 585 to 600 MLD water every day, Speaker Sir. And after producing so much of water, we have so much water shortages. So if you go to see 40% of 600, that means we are wasting around 200 plus MLD water, Speaker Sir.
आता हे पळयात. सांतिनेजातल्या सरकारी क्वार्टर्सातल्या डिजिटल मिटरांक गळती लागला. सकाळच्या टायमार थंयसावन उदक व्हांवता. उदकाची गळती सरकाराच्या नदरेक हाडून दिवपाक ॲप तयार करपाचो सरकाराचो प्लान आशिल्लो, मात तो ॲप अजूनय तयार जालो ना.
रस्त्या वयले खड्डे भिजोवपाक जसो जेट पॅचराचो एक ऑनलायन सिस्टम जो गव्हर्मेंटान रेडी केल्लो, तसोच उदकाची लिकेज थांबोवपाक एक ॲप रेडी करपाचे अशें मिनिस्टरान त्या टायमार असेंब्लीन सांगिल्लें. बट तो ॲप अजून काय रेडी जावंक ना. प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस.